Imagine waking up to emails filled with sales notifications. You roll over and check your phone, watching your bank balance grow. The best part? You earned this money while you slept. This is the power of passive income, and affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways to achieve it. Affiliate marketing lets you earn money by promoting products and services you believe in. It's like being a digital salesperson, but you don't handle inventory or customer service. You simply connect your audience with products they'll love, and you get rewarded for every sale. Whether you're a blogger, social media enthusiast, or just starting, affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial freedom. It's a way to monetize your passions, build a sustainable income stream, and achieve your financial goals, all while working from anywhere in the world. Are you ready to turn your online presence into a money-making machine? Let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting another company's products or services. This model has gained immense popularity over the years due to its simplicity and effectiveness. Essentially, it allows individuals or businesses to partner with companies and earn money by driving sales or traffic to their products. You do this by sharing unique affiliate links on your website, blog, social media, or email list. These links are specially generated to track the traffic and sales you drive to the company's website. By incorporating these links into your content, you can seamlessly integrate product recommendations into your existing platforms. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a percentage of the sale. This commission can vary depending on the affiliate program and the type of product being sold. Some programs offer a flat rate per sale, while others provide a percentage of the total purchase amount. The more sales you generate, the higher your earnings can be. Think of it like being a brand ambassador. As an affiliate marketer, you are essentially endorsing products and services that you believe in. Your credibility and trustworthiness play a significant role in convincing your audience to make a purchase through your links. You recommend products you love to your audience, and if they buy, you get a cut. This makes affiliate marketing a win-win situation for both you and the company you're promoting. You get to share products that you genuinely enjoy, and the company benefits from increased sales and brand exposure. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, deal with shipping, or handle customer support. All of these logistical aspects are managed by the company you're affiliated with. This allows you to focus solely on marketing and promoting the products without the hassle of running a full-fledged business. You're simply connecting buyers with sellers and earning a commission for your efforts. This makes affiliate marketing an accessible and low-risk way to start earning money online. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or just someone with a passion for certain products, affiliate marketing offers a flexible and scalable income opportunity. Here are a few real-life examples of affiliate marketing in action. These examples will give you a better understanding of how diverse and widespread affiliate marketing can be. Amazon Associates, one of the largest affiliate programs globally, allowing you to earn commissions by recommending any product on Amazon. With millions of products available, you can find items that perfectly match your niche and audience. ClickBank, a popular platform specializing in digital products like ebooks, courses, and software. This platform is ideal for those who want to promote digital goods, which often come with higher commission rates compared to physical products. ShareASale, a network connecting merchants with affiliates across various niches from fashion to technology. This platform offers a wide range of products and services, making it easier for you to find something that aligns with your audience's interests. These are just a few examples, and countless other affiliate programs cater to almost every niche imaginable. No matter what your interests or expertise are, there's likely an affiliate program that fits your needs. The key is to find programs relevant to your audience and promote products you genuinely believe in. By doing so, you can build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of them making a purchase through your affiliate links. Remember, authenticity and transparency are crucial in affiliate marketing. Ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey? Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your strategies, this guide is designed to help you navigate the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started on the right foot and set you up for long-term success in the affiliate marketing space. 1. Choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics do you enjoy talking about or creating content around? Selecting a niche helps you target a specific audience and find relevant affiliate products. Think about your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. The more specific you can be, the better. This will not only make your content more engaging, but also help you stand out in a crowded market. 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, research and join affiliate programs that align with your audience's interests. Popular networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Each of these platforms offers a wide range of products and services you can promote. Take the time to read reviews and understand the commission structures to choose the best fit for your goals. 3. Start promoting. Now it's time to start sharing your affiliate links. Integrate them naturally into your blog posts, social media updates, email newsletters, or even YouTube videos. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and only promote products you genuinely recommend. Authenticity is key here. Your audience will appreciate your honesty and be more likely to trust your recommendations. 4. Earn commissions. The moment you've been waiting for, earning those sweet commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a qualifying purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. Keep track of your earnings and analyze which products are performing best. This will help you refine your strategy and focus on the most profitable opportunities. Remember, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build an audience, gain their trust, and start seeing significant results. But with dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, you can turn your online presence into a profitable affiliate income stream. Stay patient, keep learning, and don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches. Your hard work will pay off in the long run, and you'll be well on your way to affiliate success. Section 4. Building trust, the foundation of affiliate marketing. In the world of online marketing, trust is paramount, and it's especially crucial in affiliate marketing. Your audience needs to trust your recommendations to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. So how do you build trust with your audience? Here are a few key principles. First, authenticity is key. Be genuine in your recommendations. Only promote products and services you've personally used or believe in. Your audience can spot a fake recommendation from a mile away. Second, transparency is paramount. Disclose your affiliate relationships up front. Let your audience know that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your links. This transparency builds trust and shows that you're upfront about your business model. Third, focus on value, not just sales. Don't just bombard your audience with affiliate links. Provide valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves their problems. When you focus on providing value, the sales will follow naturally. Remember, building a loyal audience takes time and effort. Focus on nurturing relationships, providing value, and being transparent in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Section 5. Strategies for success. Turning clicks into commissions. Now that you understand the importance of trust, let's dive into some actionable strategies to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. First, create value-driven content. This means producing content that not only promotes products, but also genuinely helps your audience. Think about what your audience needs and how you can provide solutions through your content. Content is king in the digital world. Create high-quality blog posts, videos, social media updates, and other forms of content that resonate with your audience. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations, or email newsletters that provide value to your target audience. Focus on educating, entertaining, or solving their problems. When your audience sees that you are genuinely interested in helping them, they are more likely to click on your affiliate links and make purchases. Second, master the art of SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is a powerful tool that can help you attract organic traffic to your content without spending money on ads. SEO is crucial for driving organic traffic to your content. Use relevant keywords and make sure your content is optimized for search engines. This means using the right keywords in your titles, headers, and throughout your content. Optimize your website and content for search engines and ensure that your site is user-friendly and loads quickly. A well-optimized site can significantly improve your search engine rankings and build backlinks to increase your visibility. Backlinks from reputable sites can boost your site's authority and improve your search engine rankings. Third, build a loyal audience. A loyal audience is more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Connect with your audience on a deeper level. Engage with them through live streams, webinars, and social media interactions. Show them that you care about their needs and are there to help. Engage with them on social media, respond to comments, and be active in discussions. The more you interact with your audience, the more they will feel connected to you and build a community around your niche. A strong community can be a powerful asset in your affiliate marketing efforts. Fourth, leverage the power of social media. Social media platforms are excellent for reaching a wider audience and promoting your affiliate links. Social media platforms are powerful tools for reaching a wider audience. Use them to share your content, engage with your audience, and promote your affiliate links. Share your affiliate links on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest. Each platform has its unique features and audience, so tailor your approach accordingly. Lastly, run paid advertising campaigns. Paid ads can help you reach a larger audience quickly and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. If you have a marketing budget, consider running paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or social media. Paid ads can be a great way to boost your affiliate marketing efforts. Consider running paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads or social media. These campaigns can help you target specific audiences and increase your chances of making sales. Remember, affiliate marketing is an ongoing process of learning, experimenting, and adapting. Stay updated with the latest trends, continuously improve your strategies, and never stop learning. The more you invest in your knowledge and skills, the more successful you will be in turning clicks into commissions.